Guys, head to the next video. So this is the crop tool. I'm so sorry. This is the ice cream image. Okay, we will use crop tool on it. This is the crop tool, and the description of this tool is that it trims or expands the edges of an image. Okay, so just by the way, you can also watch the quick tutorials from here as well to understand that what actually is crop tool. So just select the crop tool. Okay, so here we have a lot of different options. We can even drag and crop from here as well. And on the other hand, we have some presets as well, like original ratio. It will maintain the original ratio of it. The 2 by 3 by 4 6, we want this sort of crop. Like this, we have to adjust the image in it, and then we have to click the tick, and it will be easy. Okay, so delete the crop pixel, or create a crop pixel. Okay, so we have some grids as well. You can align it geometrically accordingly, etc. So clear it. We have a lot of different functions in Photoshop for every tool. By the way, the crop tool is, you can say it's a very simple tool, but uh, it has a lot of features. It has a lot of capabilities as per the name of Photoshop. So this is what you can achieve with crop tool. Thank you so much.